Hi guys, welcome back to another Limitless Math video tutorial. In this video lesson, we are going to calculate or verify solutions to linear equations, also called solutions to two-variable equations. So for this first example, we have on the left here a linear equation, a two-variable equation because it has an x and a y. The equation is negative x minus 4y equals negative 10. That's our equation. And we have a couple of solutions over here that we want to verify and check to see if they are correct. So the first solution is 3, 2, and the second one is negative 3, 3. So let's see how to confirm if these solutions are indeed accurate. First, we need to know that these are written in ordered pair form, and the first number is always x, and the second number is always y. So what we'll do is substitute this first number 3 into the equation for x, and we'll substitute the second number 2 into the equation for y. So copying everything else down, we have negative, not x, but 3, then minus 4, not y, but 2, and we do need to write that in parentheses, equals negative 10. Once we have everything substituted in, we will simplify as much as we can and check to see if we get a true equation or a true mathematical statement. So we have minus 3 or negative 3 minus 4 times 2. We do need to multiply first. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And then bring down the negative 3. And just keep going one more time to simplify. Negative 3 minus 8 is negative 11. Negative 11, however, is not equal to negative 10. So 3, 2 is not a solution. 3, 2 is not. Now let's try the second possibility, substituting once again the first number in for x and the second number in for y. We bring down negative, and then for x, we substitute with negative 3. So you do have to write all of that in. Minus 4, parentheses, and this time we're substituting 3 in for y, equals negative 10. At this point, after you substitute, you are simply simplifying, making it as neat or condensed as small as possible. Here, double negatives will just be a positive 3 minus 4 times 3. And we can multiply negative 4 and 3 is negative 12. So we have 3 minus 12 equals negative 10. 3 minus 12 would be negative 9, which does not equal negative 10. So in this case, neither of the solutions was right. And that is how you go through the process of verifying if a solution is an actual solution to a linear equation. Label first number as x, second number as y, substitute, simplify, and then check to see if you get a true equation.